What's up, everybody? My name is Marlon, representing Marley Be Fit, and welcome to my channel. So who am I? And why is this guy going to Egypt? You know, with all the outbreaks happening in current times, I just felt like I had to break out of here. I'm just an ordinary guy, trying to find my life's purpose and be the best version of myself. Many of us have lost loved ones, or someone close to us. I've had a few losses myself. You know, I've had a conversation with my wife and she asked, if you could go anywhere in the world right now, where would you go? I told her back in time. A couple of friends, my wife and myself decided we wanted an adventure, so we chose Egypt. We mostly stayed in Cairo, but we've also paid Luxor a visit. What I won't do is go into too many details on the precious history of Egypt. There are enough videos online for that. Or better yet, how about we get off our seats and we go take the trip for ourselves? Just to name a few tours that we've done, we've toured the Giza pyramids, hung out at the Sphinx, one thing I must say about the culture though that will blow your mind was driving in Egypt. Driving in Egypt is interesting to watch. I can't see myself driving where there are no stop signs, no stop lights. The people here are accustomed to it though. Our driver told us that there are 3 things that you need for driving in Egypt. You need a good horn, good brakes, and most importantly, you need good luck. The roads can get busy depending on where you are. He told us there's no such thing as rush hour here. That doesn't exist. We just rush there. Believe it or not though, there aren't that many accidents there in Cairo. My thoughts were, if you could drive or ride in New York City, you can drive or ride anywhere. Egypt, though, is a whole nother level of skill that you must have on the road. I guess what separates American driving from driving in Egypt is we feel too entitled. This is my lane. This is my right of way. Egypt drivers see the road as an area everyone shares. If someone needs to cut in front of you, you just need to make sure to make room and vice versa. Oh, don't forget to stop at the Old Cairo Papyrus Museum for some fine art. We were shown how the ancient Egyptians used to make the first paper known in history. Cyperus papyrus is a native plant that grows throughout Africa. The stems are cut into thin slices according to the sheet size and hammered with a wooden mallet. A roller is used to remove water in the stems. This makes the slice stronger and more flexible. Then arrange the pieces side by side on felt slightly overlapping in horizontal and vertical lines. Cover it to absorb the water, then put it under the hand press for 7 days to dry under pressure. Voila! You got yourself some paper. The designs they have here are jaw-dropping. Oh yeah, you can't forget the great food. Let me stop chewing your ears off though and let the video clips speak for themselves. Thanks for watching, y'all. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video as much as I've enjoyed reliving my time in Egypt making this video. My plan for this channel is to focus on fitness, but what does fitness mean to you? For me, fitness is beyond just physical. Before we can become the best version of ourselves, we must first step out of the world that we know and come to terms with how much we don't know. The way I see it, we are both the hero and the villain in our own life story. Acknowledging that helps us to make better decisions that affect the people around us. Just like how the Egyptians see the road as a place that belongs to everyone, seeing the world with that mindset allows us to help the next person get to their destination. If we all thought that way, we can all get to our destinations safely. Everything that life puts in our path is a teachable moment and affects our level of growth. I'll be touching on my understanding of mind-body connection on my next video. Don't forget to drop a like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Also, feel free to share this video. The saga continues.